Hey everyone! Today we have a detailed full face Gua Sha routine. Before you start, don't forget to wash your hands and your Gua Sha, also moisturize your skin. So the first part that we start is our collarbones. With your Gua Sha, slide on your collarbones for 10 times on each side. This massage will open the lymph nodes in this area and make your face ready to depuff and detoxify. Also, this type of massage creates a deep sense of relaxation as well as renewed energy and vitality. Next, we go up to the neck sides. Start to slide slowly downwards on the sides of your neck for 10 times on each side. Your pressure should be medium. Lymphatic drainage is an easy technique to boost circulation and radiance of your face. It stimulates blood flow and oxygen to the skin, improving the delivery of essential nutrients. For the next move, slide downwards slowly for 10 times on the back of your neck. This simple massage relieves tension stored in the face and neck. It will relax any stiffness in these areas. Next, we go to our ears. Start to massage your ears with your Gua Sha as you see in the video for 20 seconds slowly. Your pressure should be medium. Ear massage is a great way to reduce discomfort caused by muscle pain. You can use ear massage anytime to relax, rejuvenate, and release natural endorphins into your body, making you feel happier and more alert. Next exercise is for nasal areas. Start to massage on the sides of your nose for 10 seconds on each side. This easy massage can help increase blood flow and reduce any stagnant fluid causing puffiness in the nasal areas. As a result, your nose will depuff and look slimmer. Sinus massage can also help improve congestion, headaches, and puffy eyes. Next move is for eyebrows. With your Gua Sha, start to massage the tip of your eyebrows for 10 seconds on each side. Your pressure should be medium. Eyebrow massage can help increase blood flow to the eyes, promoting healthy vision and reducing eye strain. Massaging the eyebrows can help stimulate lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and promoting a more radiant complexion. Next is temple massage. With your Gua Sha, start to massage slowly with a light pressure on your temples for 20 seconds on each side. This massage can be a head massage, improving blood circulation to the brain, reduce stress and anxiety, and promotes both hair health and brain relaxation. This easy massage helps with migraine and headache. It improves mental health, and last but not least, it helps the eyes to depuff. And lastly, we come again to our neck, moving upwards with our Gua Sha for 5 times on 3 parts of our neck, sides and the middle. This massage will reduce muscles tension, any wrinkles and fine lines on the neck. It will improve blood circulation and leads all the toxins and puffiness out of the face. After a relaxing lymphatic drainage, we start our face yoga routine. Start on your double chin and move upwards on 3 points under your jawline for 10 seconds on each part, middle and the sides. With this easy movement, you're gonna break fat cells in this area and move them towards the lymph nodes and out of the face. Next exercise is for jawline. This exercise is kind of a complementary exercise for the previous one because you're gonna just move upwards from your chin towards your ears where you have lymph nodes, moving the fat cells that you just broke in the last exercise to the lymph nodes and lead them out of the face. Keep doing this move for 10 times on each side. This exercise will help to sculpt your jawline. It will also reduce jaw tension. Next exercise is for mouth muscles. Move upwards from your chin to the sides of your nose for 10 times on each side. This move will also lift the sagging jowls and lip corners. It will work on the mouth muscles and help them to tonal sculpt. As a result, you will get plumper lips. With this move, you will also reduce any wrinkles around your mouth like marionette lines. Next exercise is for smile lines. Put your guasha on your smile lines and start to unfold wrinkles and lines in this area by turning your guasha slightly. Your pressure should be medium. Keep doing this for 10 seconds on each side. This easy movement will also help the upper lips to lift and look plumper. Next exercise is for facelift. Put your guasha in this direction on your face and start to move upwards slowly and gently with a medium pressure. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. This exercise will lift the whole face, sagging jowls, lip corners, and the cheeks. It will also reduce any lines and wrinkles on your face. This exercise will boost blood circulation and promote collagen production. As a result, you will get a glowing looking skin. You will also deep off your face and reduce buccal fat by moving your guasha upwards towards your ears where you have lymph nodes. Next exercise is to lift the cheeks. Put your guasha on the smile lines area and then start to move outwards on your face slowly and gently with a light pressure as you are moving close to the under eye area. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. This exercise will lift and sculpt your cheeks, reduce the smile lines. It will also deep off your nose by moving stagnant fluid from nasal areas towards the lymph nodes. This exercise helps with the under eyes to get brighter. It also reduces dark circles and eye bags. This effective exercise is a multi-purpose exercise that will work under your eyes as well. So with this one, there's no need to do any other exercise for under the eyes. Next exercise is for crow's feet. Put your guasha on your temples and crow's feet area. Then start to unfold any wrinkles by moving in opposite directions with your guasha and your fingertips. Keep doing this slowly and gently for 10 times on each side. As you're moving your gua sha upwards, move the skin slightly downwards with your fingertips. Your pressure should be medium. Next exercise is to reduce eye puffiness and hooded eyes. Put one hand on your forehead and lift the skin slightly up. Then with the other hand, start to move over your brows outwards from the tip towards your temples. Keep doing this for 20 seconds slowly on each side. Your pressure should be light as you are moving over your eyes. This exercise will also work on your frown lines and help them to reduce by relaxing and reducing brow muscles tension. It helps the eyes to depuff by moving the stagnant fluid towards your temples where you have lymph nodes. This is also an effective exercise to reduce eye strain and tension headaches. And last exercise is forehead lift. With one hand, lift your forehead and hold the skin up. Then with the other hand, start to move upwards on your forehead slowly and gently with a medium pressure for 30 seconds. This exercise unfolds any horizontal wrinkles on your forehead. It also lifts your forehead and brows. As a result, your eyes will lift. It's also an effective exercise to reduce forehead and brow muscles tension. By moving towards your scalp, you will also help with the lymphatic drainage. So this was it for today's full detailed Gua Sha routine. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next one. Bye.